expert. So I've called my series, today's day 1 by the way. My series is called Not the Expert Show. So for everyone who is gonna judge me for not cooking it the right way or the way that you think it's right, can just not watch. So that was the disclaimer. Now we'll start cooking. Let's go with turning on the fire. One of the very important steps. Moving on. Yeah, that is the most important step. Don't laugh, it's not a joke. People forget. Yeah, so I think it's on. Good. Now we'll add some ghee. As my mom tells me that ghee is healthier option than oils, so I'm gonna use that. And also this is something which is confirmed by ChatGPT. So yeah, that much ghee. Oh, I forgot to tell you that what I'm making. Okay, let's just cook it and then we'll find out if it's the right thing. घी निकल दिया चमचे से, but निकल आया थोड़ा सा और. Yeah, whoever thinks it's a lot or less can just not watch more. Anyway, that was the ghee. Let's just wait for the ghee to see. This is called kafayat shawari. Okay, it's a word, you can Google on it. It means that saving the things. Okay, yeah, so that's oil. Now we need to add some pyaz. It is thinly chopped. You should chop your pyaz thinly and then put it in the pan. There we have pyaz and it's in the pan now. So थोड़ा सा oily चल रहा है, but it's okay. It's because some water went there. It's fine. It's okay. So now what's gonna happen is that this onion should go brown in a bit. So I'm not gonna bore you with the whole thing, make you watch the onion going brown. But before we go on a break or on a time lapse, whatever I think about it later on, this is plow that I'm making. So stay tuned. My onion should be brown in the next 5 minutes. Time for time lapse. आंखों में लग रहा है guys. ये मस्ट कॉल आउट के ऐसे मौक़ों में मम्मा बहुत याद आती हैं. और यू ऑल वुड रिमेंबर योर मॉम. It's sad that you're not remembering her otherwise, but whatever. So you just remember your mom at these times because ये आँखों में लगता है and it's pathetic. Okay, pyaz is ready. It's brown, kind of. I mean, it's brown enough for me. So I'm gonna add adrak lasan paste, ginger garlic paste in this. So let's add that. So again, आँखों में लग रहा है, but we're gonna add at least 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste, and then we're gonna stir it again, and then we're gonna add some, okay, uchal raha boys, but I think it's part of the whole thing. We're gonna add some chicken into this. So let's wait for. मैं इसमें डालने लगी हूँ चिकन. चिकन में मैं ये करती हूँ कि मैं इसको, it's around 500 grams of chicken, slightly more because my husband likes this chunks of chicken as well, along with the bone. I have removed the skin. I recommend you remove it too, but yes, of course, because it's my vlog. So an important thing that I wanted to share, that whenever you wash I don't know if you can hear me, but whenever you wash the chicken, always and always do it in a deep bowl, so that this salmonella is kind of a virus thingy which spreads from chicken. So try to wash it in a place which is not your sink, because otherwise the virus just spreads out on the sink, and that's something that can be harmful. But you do you, because I'm doing me. I'm gonna add some water. And I'm gonna add a little bit of oil as well. And the oil is there. What? Huh? I'm in the middle of the cooking thing. हाँ? नहीं, मैं आ रही. Sorry for the disturbance again. I'm gonna repeat. I've added the oil, I have added the chicken, and now we will let the chicken to cook. अच्छा, इस पॉइंट पे हमें कोशिश ये करनी है कि हमने कोई भी इसमें बाल छाल नहीं जाने देना. So I've added the chicken, and now we let the chicken cook. What we're gonna do also at this moment is, जब पहले चिकन को फ्राई करना है खाली, don't add water too soon. Oh, I did add water, so you can add water too. I mean, it's your choice, you do whatever you like. And also, I'm not the expert, so it's a not the expert kitchen, not chicken. So while this is happening, I will also add the masalas. Now I have a very secret recipe of my masalas, and it's not publicly available. So get ready for that. You really think I have masala recipes? Come on, I'm not the expert here. But what you're gonna do is that you can go on the national website and look the Yakhni Pulao ka masala. And there we have it. The masala is gone. I'm gonna just mix the masala. ऑब्वियसली आप लोगों को तो खुशबू नहीं आ रही होगी, मुझे आ रही है. अगर नहीं भी आ रही तो मैं बस कह सकती हूँ कि मुझे आ रही है, कि कांट डू मच अबाउट इट. So this is the stage where we cook the chicken, and the chicken is cooking. I'm gonna let it cook for around 5 minutes, and I love the khusbu coming out. But do not taste it at this point. The chicken is uncooked. You can get the virus. Be smart. Anyway, so the chicken is cooking, and let it cook. So this is the state. The chicken is looking like this. I'm gonna let it cook, and I'll be back. अच्छा, the big people teaching is, by big people I not big, the elders की teaching is the right word. कि जब oil separate हो जाए, then it's kind of time when you can add water. So oil भी separate हो गया है, and chicken भी from the looks of it अच्छी cook हो गई है. Actually काफ़ी अच्छी cook हो गई है, because I can see कि जो मेरी ब्रेस्ट के पीसेस थे वो भी अच्छे कुक हो जाए. So yeah, that's about it. Now I'm gonna add water. सही है. We need more water. So ये roughly 2.5 कप्स पानी है और तकरीबन 1 कप मैंने ऑलरेडी डाल दिया था. So since you want, so what do you want actually? You want the yakni, right? That's the whole point. So you will add enough water कि जिसमें फिर आपके राइस भी अच्छे से उसको सोक कर सकें. So the chicken is going to cook a little while in it ताकि वो यखनी थोड़ी सी इसमें कंज्यूम हो जाए. But again, I'm not the expert, so all my hunches I'm telling you. अब मैं इसमें I'm gonna add my rice to it. So where are my rice coming? अच्छा, राइस को मैंने पहले से ही सोक करके रखा हुआ था. ये सोक हुए में I intended to soak them for about 20 minutes, but then my kid woke up, so I had to go and rush towards her. So it got about, the soaking got to be about an hour, but you can do 20 minutes, that's fine. So the not so expert is going to add rice. So I'm gonna just strain a little bit of water out of this and then just pour the entire thing in it. See, that's a smarter way to do it. You should not waste rice, by the way. Wasting rice is not a good thing to do. So that is the rice, and it's so my brother usually does not agree that I am the one who cooks the food. Sometimes I don't do it very often, but I have taken this initiative to cook for 30 days straight. It's a 30-day master class from Not the Expert. आप लोग अगर एक्सपर्ट्स होते तो आप लोग मेरी वीडियो इतने और से देख नहीं आ रहे होते. Anyway, so come on guys, accept your weaknesses sometimes. It's part of life. My rice are now in it, और मैं ऐसे with the because of course कफ़े है sure. So I will add the rice with my hand as well. So that's all there. There is no wastage. एक रह गया था. I'm true to my concept and we'll deal with it if it's taking a lot of time here. But so ये मैंने राइस ऐड कर दी, as you can see. इसको मैं बहुत हल्के हाथ से, डोंट बी, हल्के हाथ से इसमें सिर्फ मिक्स कर देते हैं. एंड देन आई एम गोना जस्ट लेट इट कुक. सो दिस इज ऑल इन नाउ. विल कम बैक वंस द सिचुएशन डिफर्स एंड आई लेट यू नो. अच्छा जी, पानी ख़त्म हो गया है इसके अंदर से बिल्कुल. मगर अभी भी अगर आप देखें तो चावल में हल्की सी सॉगीनेस है. ठीक है, इस सॉगीनेस को ख़त्म करने का तरीका ये है कि मैं इसको अब लिटिल थिंग कॉल्ड दम, मैं वो लगा रही हूँ इसका. बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव अ कपड़ा एंड ऑल दैट, तो जस्ट गोना कवर इट अप. इट्स द सेम थिंग, रिलैक्स. अच्छा, इसको हम अब थोड़ा सा और आहिस्ता कर देंगे ताकि द दम थिंग हैपन्स. फॉर सम रीज़न आई नेवर ट्राई टू लोअर इट डाउन, तो मुझसे हमेशा ही बंद हो जाती है. आई थिंक it's kind of a manufacturing issue with the stove. Did you really think I'm going to say that I am doing something wrong? Wrong expectations, guys. So this is what's going to happen. The thing is there, and just leave it here for like at least 10 minutes and then come back and see if the whole water has evaporated. So yeah, that's pretty much it. End of truth. So I'm gonna open it and check if it's cooked. It was already cooked. Let's see how it turned out. Oh, sorry, you cannot see it. I'm gonna just eat it now. I'm not into taking more pictures of it, but just gonna show it to you closely. Who wants it? I love it. Okay. Bye. See you in the next session. Remember, I'm not the expert, so the disclaimer was already in the start. So if I have done some mistakes and if it's not the best way to cook, it's on you on watching it.